The 2026 Forester is arriving with changes that address the biggest complaints buyers have had for years. We're talking about power, efficiency, and capability improvements that leave competitors playing catch-up. If you've been frustrated by underpowered compact SUVs that sacrifice real capability for fuel economy, or efficient hybrids that compromise their all-wheel drive systems, the 2026 Forester is about to change your mind about what's possible in this segment. Let's check it out. Wilderness is back. Following a one-year hiatus, the Forester Wilderness rejoins the lineup for 2026 with meaningful enhancements. Subaru didn't just slap the old nameplate on the new body. Ground clearance climbs to 9.3 inches, surpassing both the standard Forester and most rivals in the segment. Approach, departure, and breakover angles all improve. 23.5, 25.5, and 21 degrees, respectively. These aren't numbers that exist on paper just to impress shoppers. They represent real-world capability when rocks, logs, or steep inclines appear on the path ahead. Anyone who's towed a boat or camper knows how quickly weight adds up. Standard compact SUVs tap out around 1,500 pounds, forcing owners to leave gear behind or upgrade to larger vehicles. An uprated transmission cooler enables 3,500 pounds of towing capacity. That's 2,000 pounds more than standard Forester models manage. Suddenly, weekend getaways with a small travel trailer become realistic without stepping up to a full-size SUV. Subaru adds dedicated snow dirt and deep snow mud drive modes, giving drivers precise control over how power reaches the wheels in demanding conditions. Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires mount on exclusive 17-inch anthracite wheels. Underbody armor protects vital components from trail damage, while LED hexagonal fog lights provide additional illumination. Inside, StarTech's water-resistant upholstery handles muddy boots and wet gear without permanent staining or damage. All this capability sounds impressive, but enhanced off-road hardware means nothing if the powertrain can't deliver efficient performance. Which brings us to the breakthrough that changes everything. Hybrid, capable, and efficient. The biggest news for 2026 centers on Subaru's new generation hybrid powertrain, making its Forester debut after launching in the Crosstrek, a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine modified for Atkinson cycle operation teams with a powerful electric motor. The gas engine contributes 162 horsepower and 154 pound-feet of torque. That electric motor adds 118 horsepower and an impressive 199 pound-feet of torque. Combined output reaches 194 horsepower, a 14 horsepower gain over the standard gas model. More importantly, that instant low-end torque from the electric motor transforms how the Forester accelerates from stops. We've all experienced that frustrating moment merging onto a busy highway when the gas pedal hits the floor but nothing much happens. Power arrives immediately and smoothly, making merges and passing maneuvers noticeably more confident. The hybrid configuration reaches 60 miles per hour in 8.6 seconds. Throttle response sharpens considerably, eliminating that sluggish feeling that plagued previous Foresters during everyday driving. Fuel economy jumps to EPA estimated ratings of 35 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway. Those figures represent roughly 40% improvement over the gas model in city driving. And now, the 16.6-gallon fuel tank enables approximately 581 miles of total range. Most importantly, Subaru engineers protected the legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system during hybridization. Unlike competitors who add rear electric motors and call it all-wheel drive, the Forester Hybrid maintains a mechanical connection between axles. Power flows through a traditional differential, ensuring predictable handling in slippery conditions. When snow covers the road or mud fills the trail, electronic systems can only do so much. X mode remains standard, optimizing traction control for challenging surfaces. The eCVT transmission operates more smoothly than the standard CVT. Transitions between electric and gasoline power occur seamlessly without jolts or hesitation. The brake pedal feels natural, avoiding that grabby sensation some hybrid systems produce. Now the hybrid delivers impressive efficiency and refinement, but some buyers still want that tried-and-true simplicity, which is exactly what the base powertrain continues offering. Proven flat-4. Base Forester models continue with the 2.5-liter naturally aspirated boxer engine producing 180 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. This power plant won't break any acceleration records or wind drag races. What it will do is run reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles with basic maintenance. Subaru's flat-4 architecture places the engine low in the chassis, contributing to the Forester's low center of gravity and balanced handling characteristics. The horizontally opposed design creates less vibration than traditional inline configurations. Fuel economy reaches EPA ratings of 26 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway for most trims. Subaru pairs the Boxer engine with a continuously variable transmission, sending power to all four wheels. As usual, all-wheel drive comes standard across the entire Forester range. No upcharges or optional packages required. The engine runs happily on regular 87-octane gasoline. Over 5 years of ownership, the savings from avoiding premium fuel add up to hundreds of dollars. Peak torque arrives at 3,700 RPM, positioned for useful power during normal driving rather than requiring high revs to access performance. But reliable power is only half the equation. The exterior design needs to match that go-anywhere capability. Rugged appearance. The 2026 Forester maintains Subaru's boxy, upright SUV silhouette that traces back through multiple generations. Clean lines and minimal styling flourishes create a functional appearance, prioritizing visibility and interior space over aerodynamic efficiency. Tall greenhouse windows provide exceptional sightlines in all directions. Drivers sit high with a commanding view of surrounding traffic. LED headlights come standard, featuring modern lighting technology that improves nighttime visibility. The front grille adopts a more aggressive design for 2026, incorporating prominent horizontal elements. Lower air intakes appear larger and more purposeful than previous designs, suggesting capability even when parked on city streets. Straight roofline maximizes headroom for all passengers. Roof rails come installed on most trims, ready to accept crossbars for cargo boxes, kayaks, or bicycles. The rear design features updated LED taillights with distinctive shapes. Wheel choices range from 17 to 19 inches, depending on trim level. The Wilderness receives exclusive anthracite wheels wearing aggressive Yokohama rubber. The rugged exterior promises adventure, but those looks don't mean much if the cabin can't deliver on comfort and versatility. Spacious and practical. Stepping inside reveals a modern cabin prioritizing function over flashy design. Materials feel durable rather than luxurious, exactly what buyers expect from a vehicle built for outdoor adventures. Most models feature an 11.6-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen controlling infotainment functions. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity come standard. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster sits ahead of the driver, providing customizable information displays. The redesigned center console adds practical storage solutions. A dedicated smartphone slot sits ahead of enlarged cup holders that accommodate oversized bottles. Rear passengers benefit from cup holders sized to hold 32-ounce water bottles. Finally, someone at Subaru recognized that hikers and campers don't carry dainty coffee cups. Front seats provide all-day comfort with supportive cushioning and adequate bolstering. Heating comes standard on premium and higher trims. Ventilation adds cooling airflow on limited and touring models. Second-row passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom. Behind upright seats, the Forester offers 28 cubic feet of storage. Fold those seats flat and volume jumps to 75 cubic feet, more than Honda CR-V and many other competitors provide. A power liftgate operates with a kick sensor on equipped models, handy when arms are loaded with cargo. With all these features and capabilities covered, the final question becomes which version makes the most sense for your budget? Trim levels and prices. The 2026 Forester lineup starts with the base model priced at around $31,000. That entry point includes all-wheel drive, LED lighting, and keyless entry. Premium trim begins at around $34,000 and represents the sweet spot for most buyers. The larger 11.6-inch touchscreen debuts here, along with heated front seats and a panoramic sunroof. Sport models start at around $37,000 and add distinctive bronze exterior accents. Exclusive wheels and StarTech's water-resistant upholstery differentiate this trim. Limited pricing reaches $39,000, and leather upholstery arrives here along with power-adjustable front seats. Wilderness commands $39,000 and delivers maximum off-road capability. The increased ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and enhanced towing capacity justify the premium for serious adventurers. Finally, Touring tops the range at around $42,000. This fully loaded variant includes ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, and navigation. The 2026 Subaru Forester delivers exactly what compact SUV buyers have been asking for: genuine capability without compromise. The returning Wilderness trim brings trail-ready hardware that matches or exceeds anything competitors offer. While the new hybrid powertrain proves electrification doesn't mean sacrificing the all-wheel drive competence Subaru built its reputation on. Whether you choose the proven flat four for simplicity and reliability, or the hybrid for efficiency and extra power, every Forester comes standard with features most rivals charge extra for. Starting just over $31,000 and topping out around $43,000 fully loaded, the Forester positions itself as one of the most honest values in the segment. For buyers who actually use their SUVs rather than just pose in them, the 2026 Forester stands alone. But don't forget that we are talking about the market's most competitive segment with so many options to choose from. If you lean more toward luxury and refinement, make sure to check out our video about the key changes on the 2026 Mazda CX-5. Mazda's bestseller is coming with several major changes that will ensure it remains one of the best options in the class.